Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the controller connected. Now open Dolphin and go straight to Controllers. Choose the correct device type for port 1, X input for Xbox-style pads, or Real Wii Remote for Wiimotes, then click Configure. You're mapping the essentials first: buttons, analog sticks, and triggers. Take a moment to pick the right device profile if available, because a matching preset saves time. Once you select Configure, start by assigning A, B, X, Y, and the main stick axes, then move on to triggers. Now you'll handle the detailed mapping and calibration. Click each control, A, B, shoulders, D-pad, and press the corresponding physical input. Dolphin will register it. For analog sticks, set X and Y axes, then tweak the dead zone to around 0. 0.5 to 0. 15 to prevent drift while keeping responsiveness. Use the calibration preview to watch values move in real time. Save the profile with a descriptive name, because once saved you can load it for other games, or copy it for finish by testing in a live session. Load a game and verify inputs in menus and gameplay. If buttons feel off, tweak sensitivity and dead zone, then resave the profile. Small changes matter. Also configure rumble if supported. If the controller isn't detected, try restarting Dolphin, reconnecting the device, checking OS drivers, and repairing Bluetooth. On Windows, run Dolphin as administrator if permissions block input. One key troubleshooting tip: update or reinstall controller drivers before changing mappings, because detection issues usually stem from drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.